Hey guys, in today's video I thought I would show you some of the ways I edit my Roblox edits, and I thought I would give some tips on how you can improve your Roblox edits. So one thing I recommend is Capcut. Now you can find Capcut on the web, capcut.com. It's a free editing video service for beginners. There is a pro feature which I have, which I use to make my edits, but you can use this completely for free. So you go on CapCut.com and you want to go up to this little computer with a down arrow. And once you find that icon up there, you want to click on it and you can download it. CapCut Desktop. Another thing I also recommend is okay, so here's one of my edits, for example. This is one of my edits. I also suggest OBS Studio. OBS Studio is one of the best, probably in my opinion, the best recording studio you can get. Now you pick your operating system there and you can download it and then you record this via Roblox. So here's my edit, for example. Here's what my edit looks like. Okay, so what I suggest is definitely use flashes and sorts of stuff like that. And I also just suggest whatever song or whatever audio you're using. If you're using a song, take for example Madonna's Burning Up. You want to have your edit, and the edit features the photo and video effects. So you want to have the video effects match the song so it will look better. Okay, well, this was a very short video. I hope you guys have a fabulous Wednesday, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.